Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to create Shopify gig on Fiverr. So if you want to know how it's done, then this video is for you. So in order to make this possible, what we can do is you can actually just make sure that we already log into our Fiverr.com account. So as you can see, I've already logged into mine. So once you're already logged in, just click on this right here. Then from in here, you should be able to see this post request. So click on this post request right here. Then this will load and you're gonna share a brief description. So you can say something like Shopify gig looking for assistant. So you can say something like that depending on what you want, and you can just put in here what needs to be done, like for example product listing or anything. It can be around 2,000 characters right here. You can put a lot of info in here, a great info in order to have sellers look for you. You can also attach in here files as well as a best category that fit this subject right here. You can just head over and add at least 50 characters for this one. So make sure that you want or added in here 50 characters. Just put in here which category fits you. So for example, let's use this e-commerce store management. Once you have done that, you can also put in here the industry that you're in as well as a platform. So let's search in here for Shopify. Here it is. Now choose the language. You can just choose that, or you can also not choose that. It's actually optional. Now click on continue, and you're looking to spend for around $10 or depending on how much you're willing to spend. So let's talk about timing. You can actually put in here a ideal delivery date, like for example you can give them around 5 days. You can also increase it however you want. After that, click on this review your brief, and this is what your brief looks like. This is what your gig looks like on Fiverr. Now just head over and click on the submit and get matched. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.